The Planet the Cave is a popular inflatable tent known for its dome-shaped design, easy setup, and durability. This unique system makes the tent quick and easy to set up in just minutes using a pump. No poles or complicated assembly required. Although easy to set up, you will need a pump to inflate the tent. The inflatable frame makes the cave very easy to set up and take down, even for solo campers. The inner tent has several storage pockets for keeping your gear organized. The Camlock Ursa Sleep System is a premium camping sleep system that includes everything you need for a comfortable night's sleep under the stars. It comes with a self-inflating base pad, a memory foam topper, a synthetic camp comforter, and a deluxe foam pillow with an adjustable air core. The 2-inch thick memory foam topper conforms to your body shape for pressure-relieving comfort. It also has a removable and machine-washable cover. The adjustable air core pillow allows you to customize the firmness to your liking. It also has a soft, comfortable cover. The Dukin Docking Room is an innovative add-on for the Dukin Loft penthouse tent, transforming it into a versatile and spacious outdoor living area. It is essentially a large tarp that attaches to the side of the tent, creating a covered extension that can be used for various purposes. Only simple clips and straps, making it easy to set up and take down. The tarp material is water-resistant and UV-protected, offering shelter from the sun, rain, and wind. You can use it as a kitchen, dining area, living room, mudroom, or even a sleeping space. The docking room can be positioned on either side of the tent and can be partially. The Inland Igloo is a unique and innovative tent that allows you to build your own igloo-like structure using a garden hose and a frame. The Inland Igloo comes with a pre-assembled frame made of fiberglass rods. You simply unfold it and connect the rods together to create a dome-shaped structure. The ice layer provides excellent insulation, making the igloo much warmer than the outside temperature. The ice layer is strong and sturdy, and the igloo can withstand a significant amount of weight. The Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove Tent is a portable and lightweight tent designed to work in conjunction with the Pomoly Lumberjack Titanium Tent Stove. It's a great option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a way to create a warm, and comfortable shelter that can also be used for cooking and even barbecuing. The Camd G Mini is a portable carbon monoxide checker, temperature and humidity monitor, and emergency bell alarm designed for campers, car campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Camd G Mini can also monitor the temperature and humidity in the air. This can be helpful for ensuring that you are staying comfortable and safe in your camping environment. The Camd G Mini can detect carbon monoxide levels in the air and sound an alarm if they become dangerous. The Bajeo Cabin is a unique and innovative tent that allows you to sleep on top of your paddleboard. It's a great way to experience the outdoors and get some exercise while also enjoying the comfort of a bed. The Bajeo Cabin is made from high-quality materials and is designed to be durable and weatherproof. It has a built-in air mattress that inflates in minutes and a mesh roof that provides ventilation and keeps out bugs. The tent also has a storage area for your gear. The outer shell of the tent is made from a waterproof material that will keep you dry in all weather conditions. The Gigapump is a small and portable air pump that can be used to inflate a variety of inflatables, such as air mattresses, pool floats, and beach balls. It is also equipped with a camping light, making it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. The Gigapump has a built-in 1,360 mAh battery that can be charged using the included USB cable. This is the newest and most advanced model. All models are small and easy to carry. It has also a magnetic system. You can use it as a camp lantern. The Zero Breeze Mark II is a portable air conditioner that can be used in tents, although it's important to understand its limitations and how to use it effectively. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons for tent use. The Zero Breeze Mark II is small and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store, even in a tent. It can be powered by a battery pack, making it ideal for off-grid camping trips where you don't have access to electricity. With a 2,300 BTU cooling capacity, it's not powerful enough to cool down a large tent, especially in hot weather. Ultimately, whether or not the Zero Breeze Mark II is a good option for your tent depends on your individual needs and camping style. The Isabella Camplet Passion is a luxurious trailer tent that offers a comfortable and spacious camping experience for up to 4 people. It features a sleeping cabin with a double bed and 2 single beds, a large living area with a seating area and a dining table, and a fully equipped kitchen. The living area is large and spacious, with plenty of room for relaxing, eating, and playing games. While the tent is relatively easy to set up, it does take some time and effort. The Usio Stake-Light tent is not actually a tent itself, but rather a tent stake with a built-in LED light. It's a unique and handy tool for campers who want to add some illumination and safety to their campsite. Each stake light has a built-in LED that emits 17 lumens of light in its area mode and can switch to a flashing strobe mode for better visibility. This can be helpful for finding your tent in the dark, deterring animals, or providing ambient light around your campsite. The on-off switch is integrated into the lens and even glows in the dark for easy access. The LED is also removable and can be used separately as a small flashlight. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is a great option for families or groups of friends who want to have the flexibility to adjust their sleeping arrangements on camping trips. The bundle includes a 3-person dome tent and a 6-person cabin-style tent, both of which can be zipped together to create a larger living space. The tents also have features like WeatherTech protection and fast pitch setup, making them easy to use in a variety of conditions. The 3-person and 6-person tents can be zipped together to create a larger living space, perfect for families or groups of friends. The Bearwatch Fence Tent is a portable electric fence system designed to deter bears from approaching your campsite. It is a great option for campers who are concerned about bear safety, especially in areas with high bear populations. The Bearwatch Fence Tent System is lightweight and portable, and it can be set up in just a few minutes. Bear encounters can be dangerous, and the Bearwatch Fence Tent can help you avoid unwanted interactions with bears. Knowing that you have a barrier in place to deter bears can help you sleep soundly at night. The Thicadal trailer tent isn't actually one specific tent, but rather the name for two innovative tent designs by Thicadal, the Magic Fort and the Smart Shell. Both are designed to connect to your vehicle and expand your camping experience. It is adjustable and stretchable. Connecting skirt. The tent is quite large and heavy, so you'll need a vehicle that can accommodate it.